Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn.
In this video, I would like to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your Windows 10 computer. First of all, go to the browser and search for download Cisco Packet Tracer. Then on the search list, you will see Cisco Networking Academy. Click here. After that, go for login and click on login. If you don't already have an account, please, I recommend you to sign up for the new account, and after that you can log in here. I'm already logged in inside the learning portal. Then after that I'll go to the resources, and here I can see download packet tracer. After that I will scroll it down. Then depending on the version of your Windows machine, probably if it is Windows 10, then it is going to be a 64-bit version. Click on 64-bit download. Then depending on the speed of your internet, it might take some time. Once it is downloaded, you can simply install it. When you start the Cisco Packet Tracer for the first time, Windows Firewall will prompt you the notification. Simply click on allow access, and after that you need to log in on Cisco Packet Tracer using the valid credential you have. Then after that you can start using the Cisco Packet Tracer.